Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair a door lock. In my case, the door handle does not open the door. The door can be opened only from outside, so all the time I have to let the window down, stick my hand through the window and open from the outside handle. First thing I will do is to take this door cover off. And remove the downside. Just like so. Then I will remove this window shield. Remove as well this plastic cover. And here you might find some more bolts. Unscrew them in order to get access inside. So here is how it looks inside. I'm gonna draw for you this assembly because I can literally not film inside, but basically that metal wire which you see has to go inside the little hole which pulls the lock, and that plastic white square is holding the metal in position so it will not jump again out. Now basically I will put all these parts back in their position. The window side protection back as well. There are no bolts left. It means that all of them are on. Now I can go in and out easily using this opener without lowering the window and using this out handle. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.